you ever had the garlic toast at Jason's Deli? The kind that makes a bowl of soup feel like a full meal? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to make it at home. No fancy ingredients, just smart flavor layering. Grab a French baguette and use a serrated knife to slice it into quarter-inch pieces. Turn your broiler on so it is time to heat up. In a small bowl, combine canola oil, olive oil, freshly minced garlic, and a generous pinch of salt. Brush the mixture on one side of each slice. Pop them under the broiler. The minute that they turn golden, pull them out, flip them, brush them on the other side, and go back in until they are done. The heat mellows the garlic beautifully. You get big, bold flavor with no harsh bite, and a light crunch that beats crackers and croutons every single time. Serve these with tomato soup, chili, or even a salad. Honestly, anything that deserves a good piece of bread. Get the full recipe with all the measurements is linked in the description below.